Hi kids, how are you? Are you ready for today our lesson? It is alphabet. Let's go to learn.
A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for flower. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for cake. L. L for lollipop. M. M for monkey. I. N for numbers. O for orange. P. P for popcorn. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for scientist. T. T for tooth fairy. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vampire. W. W for watermelon. X. X for x-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. C. C for zip.